Good evening, I'm Masterchef Tim, and today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare an ice cream sandwich. So you're going to need a few things. Number one, ice cream. I recommend vanilla, excellent flavor, fairly standard. Next thing I have is you're going to need your bread. I personally am using sourdough bread. You can use pumpernickel, whatever you like. Sourdough, I just find it gives it a really good flavor. So the first thing you're going to need to do is take your bread out of the package. Then I lay it down in front of me, and what I do is I take a knife, IKEA knife, and I make one incision directly in the center of the bread. Once you've made your incision, you need to make, using the same knife, a nice even thread of ice cream. Then what you want to do is put that on to your sourdough bread. You want to cover it, or whatever bread you so happen to be using. You want to cover it evenly. Now, if you're a fancier type person, say you're in a classy profession, I don't know what you consider classy profession, but you can do a drizzle. And so what I have here today, see, I work construction, so I tend more upper class in society, so I'm going to do a caramel drizzle, and I'm just going to lightly drizzle that across. And you want to make sure it's nice and even. And then, this is the important part. What you want to do is put this side on here. If you put it this way, you risk losing your ice cream, and then that you don't get as good of a sandwich. So what we're going to do is just take this piece of bread here, this side, not this one, plop it on top, and there you have it, your ice cream sandwich. This has been Master Chef Tim.